Choke, girl, if you're sick, lasagna is your antidote. Come get joke. No procrastination, come for vaccination.
The man say if you're sick, lasagna is the antidote, little girl. So come get joke. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and I'm back again with another lyricist reaction. We have part few for today's video. Yesterday we dropped part 1. Me see guys and fans say so. I don't know. Me I say me love it. Say no, so me tell them I go start them and I'm saying the whole trade them, you know. You understand me? So we go so boom and we have part few right about now. So what we need to do, run up on the likes button. We go for 100 likes on the video. And we don't know in the comment section. We don't want to say 1 and 2 comment. We want to say 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 comment in the comment section. So comment your favorite verse, as I said yesterday. You see me I say, and comment on this video to see your comment over there. So you understand me? Because we do that in every video. We post every single day. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10k subscribers. You understand me? 10,000. That's the goal for the year. And we'll get through it with God's help. We'll do it. Do it for the love, we're not doing it for the likes.
Take up your textbook before we reach the next hook. Make sure take up your textbook before we reach the next hook. Make sure you put your best.
Little girl, the man said take up your textbook before you get the vex look. Are you ready for your bumper clock right now, little girl? Since if you're not the energy you want today, nah? You better take up your textbook, you know, little girl. Or you get the vex bumper clock look. Run June!
What else you get the vex look? Brains boil up like the porridge where the chef cook. Lyrics thump you like Ricardo with the straight right and the left hook.
Good morning, class. Hey, remember the song. Here we go again. Now, in yesterday's video, I realized I really didn't remember the lyrics to the song, right? I didn't remember the lyrics to the song, and as I said, I've listened to them for like Courageous K. Me, I plan for dead enough, bro. Why fire a boss first? Anyways, because myself, Courageous K. Thanks for commenting on the video. You don't know the chop. And I say, what did I say? Bumblecly, I've never listened to this, most of the song them. So you understand me, I try to get them lyrics again in my head. You don't know chap, one tune.
Joke, girl, if you're sick, lasagna is your antidote. Come get joke. No procrastination, come for vaccination.
The man say if you're sick, lasagna is the antidote, little girl. So come get joke. Come get joke. Look like when Naga blood clot hook. Run tune. Look like when Naga hook the blood clean. Run the blood clean tune.
Chemical reaction, anti-oxidation. Keep you fresh, keep you straight. Gaza rise the nation without explanation. Oh. Good morning, class. Stand up when
morning, class. Bomba class. Yo, me say them man the lyrics up. Yo, lyrics I give away, you know, brother. Kartel at the front and let us say, yo, God, give me the whole of them lyrics right now. Because when I step on earth, I'm in that prison, I run the road same way. Because me at the bomba clot. Word boss. Like come in a reaction boss. Subscribe to the channel and subscribe to them. I tell you, energy over bumbuck like your son. If you don't subscribe, you watch the video. What am I telling you if you don't subscribe? Like, hold on. What's wrong with you? You're watching Tyrekevlogs the reaction boss right now. Are you really not subscribed to the channel, yo? You alright? You sure you're alright? Like, I ain't even like the video yet either. Just like the video, no man. Alright, see, they don't you know.
Class, I'm the man them calling boss. Master for the performing arts. Me lyrical from the clocks through me body parts.
Well, the man say lyrical from the clocks through body parts. He's the master at performing arts. You don't hear what Bumbuckly go on right here, sir? And the man addressed him politely before we even started. The man said, good morning, class. Bumbuckly, roll on, let me turn my hat. Me turn it round. Yes. Run the bomber clutch on now, right boss.
My heart straight up to the brain, we create all my thoughts. That's why them songs are deadly like the poison pan the dance. But the words them
well, them songs are deadly like the poison pan the what? What? Hope on the dance, yeah, me know that, me know. You cannot think about it and you get it. I'm telling you, every video I go say some after a Kartel side. The man don't put words together because them sound good. The man put words together because them relate to each other. You know when you're in a war, I have a little dance and you throw them something there, brother. Right, your poison tip for after you chop a man with it. You understand me? I run up a juke all a boy with it. You know me I say? They don't matter about it. Don't get more happen. You know me I say? They get pies. Blood clot. Kartel have a piece of mind there. Run, tune.
That's why them song are deadly like the poison pan the darts. But the words them and the melody sweeter than the platinum tarts.
Oh, but hold on, the man said the words them and the melody sweeter than the platinum stock. What you say a while ago? Me go say fuck right now, yes right now. That's why they
melody sweeter than the platinum tarts. Even workers at the mag ask me why the cops react to my remarks. Don't
even workers at the mags. Bumbleclad! You heard the man say even bumbleclad workers at the mags. The mag, the dead house them. Ask him why the corpse, the skeleton them. And me I say, the dead people them, the skeleton, the dead body them. React to the man song, Bumbleclad! Red Bass. Remember that? Red Bass. Red Tune.
Don't be scared, youth, you're safe like the valves. And in the dance, the
Wait. Hold on. Nothing now miss between the man say, youth. Don't be scared, youth. You're safe like the valves. Don't be scared, youth. You're safe. Safe and valves. What me tell you now a while ago, the man don't put words together because them song, the man put them together because them relate. See if you do music and you hear them don't relate to each other, you stop do it. Stop Bumbleclad with it, you're not going nowhere. Bumbleclad. Kartel, where you get that blood clot brain from, brother? Run. Tune.
This is with Vybz Kartel lyrics, them and gesturing for emphasis. Like, hello, me dear, your style full of intricacies. Your smile bright like the sun.
Hey, me hear that song. When me hear that song, me da use the dog. Me da copy it, brother. Go to a girl and say, hello, me dear, your smile sweet. Then use Kartel lyrics to get girl. Like the man say, use him lyrics to get girl. So man give more as if anybody really do this. I don't know if somebody capitalize on that when me do it in another song. I'm saying another song. The man say, yo. Use him lyrics for get girl. And then him giving a line of lyrics on for use. Like, hello me dear, you smile. Yo, the man tell you what for go do. Yo, want a man try that dog with a girl, brother. See if that work. Run, tune.
Photosynthesis, your beauty seen clearly like me looking through 10 glasses. And if you're lucky, me must get back my visa at the embassies.
The same means if our pum's lucky after you might get back in visa at the embassies. But hold on. Embassy. When I say embassies, why? Anyways, can't make back done. Bumbleclad. Yo, the amount of lyrics I'm gonna put forth all the way you take a breath. Remember me tell you in a social power reaction, I say you're the first me can't take a breath in our song. Bumbleclad. Me, if I calm down myself now. Anyways, calm down myself. Run. Tune.
Loving and sincerity is all that my agenda is. No mix up that a blender is. Me, miss and you, missus. True.
The man say, no mix up that a blender. No mix up that a blender miss. Blood clot, yo. True, nobody in the ears like, no. That. I say, oh, y'all love me be true. Oh, y'all love me be true. Hey, me say teachers. But one of them tell the teachers expect it to come out. Okay. Different kind of girl from all over the world. They want to forbid it. Bumbleclad, true. Let me know. Like that.
The real gangster them buck up in
the cartel and say, girl, if you're still watching video right now, yo, comment your favorite line out of the song here. Did me I say? Comment your favorite line to the song. Remember now, we don't want 2, we want 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 10 and whole heap of comment now. You understand me? So comment your favorite line to the song right now. And like the video if you like the video. Like you can't still watch Tyrekevlogs right now. And I like the Bumbleclad video. You like it? Alright, run through. Make sure something like it video, no dog. Okay, don't know the energy dead. Run through, me chat too much.
And every girl can tell.
Hey!
The
Teachers.
Anything teacher want, our
Teacher get. We say, you know. Bumbleclad, need to take a drink of water. Yo, Kartel, what the fuck? Tell about your fault. Jano Star. So I go on right now. Are the fans alright? Yeah. Alright? Yeah. Alright, run through.
Again, she say, y'all love me today. She say, and the Gaza, she say, alright. Gaza boys and girls.
Alright, hold on. Wait, before you even jump into the second verse, I want to do 2 push-up right now. Did me say, do 2 push-up. Yeah, man. Like, I'm in bed, you can do push-up in your bed. If you want girl, just bend over a little and just look in the mirror and yeah, you're good. You're a girl, you're good. But the man then, me 2 push-up. Did me say, Now take out back your one buckler, tablet, your phone, your laptop or your TV and press play. Ready? Press play. Run tune.
This is your semester. The students on the other side sick me stomach like a child molester. Ask the question and the Gaza.
Hold on, wait, why? Why put them sick your stomach at the Palmer the world boss? What them tell you? My foot on my aunt, no brother. You man say the students on the other side sick him stomach. What? Why? What them do? Me want see my face. You calm down about my class. Me want see my calm down. Run tune.
Prime Minister, I feel them artists run dance hall. I can't recall me full of tricks.
That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say, dog. Me and the students from the other side, me say students from the other camp. Pick them students who don't say Gaza. Come here and say, what the bamba come in? I'm gonna come with right now. Can't tell a friend me why like a bro God. Me not lie. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Run tune.
Plus the girl them set me off the sweeter lyrics. Free from gimmicks. Everything is teacher that and teacher this. Cause me's the illest. Call me.
Man said the girl them say him have the sweeter lyrics. Kartel too blood clean, but I need to hold a mess now. I said my girl said the song are sound now. I need to go in and go edit them video. Come here, I chop a Trinidad video tonight. It's a go up to one, you know chop already. I chop a Trinidad video tonight. I need to go and go edit. But we need more minutes. So run the rest of the tune. Hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video and still watch the video right now, drop a like. You did me and say no, wrap up the video right. So,
well, boss, call me extra large cause me's the biggest. Then me pop the Benz and roll out. And bricks and a donut. Sweet.
Oh! You messing up, man. Calm down yourself on the phone. People. I'm out.